Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y16. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's enter Google app, go to menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap finish. And now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.